Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and your game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert not opening on your computer easily. So first of what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games folder. So if you have the game on Steam, the default location should be in your C drive, program file 36, Steam, and then Steam apps. After that, common. And now you'll have Crimson Desert here. You're going to open it up and then you're going to have the CrimsonDesert.exe file. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it, click properties then, and then you're going to go into compatibility. And then you're going to make sure that you click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply and then OK. And now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it and then click send to, and then you're going to send it to desktop. And now you're going to close out Steam. Once you close out Steam, now you're going to launch Steam, but make sure to run it as administrator. So just right click on Steam here, click run as administrator, wait for it to run as admin. Once it's opened as admin, now you're going to go to Crimson Desert here. I'm going to use another game as an example. You're going to click on the properties. You're going to go into install files, and then you're going to click on to verify integrity of games files. Let it do its thing then. Once it's done with that, go into general, add this -dx11 launch option here. And once you add it, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up Crimson Desert and you'll see that your game will now work because it will be running as admin now and you will not face any errors anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.